True attraction is not about tricks or games. It's about forging genuine connections that leave a lasting impression. Many men mistakenly believe that flashy gestures are the key to attracting women. In reality, authentic attraction starts from within, embracing qualities like emotional presence, quiet confidence, a hint of mystery, and the power of silence. In this discussion, we'll explore 7 timeless principles to help you build deep, authentic connections without manipulation or the need for approval. These insights focus on cultivating a genuine self that naturally draws others in. You'll learn how maintaining eye contact can establish trust, how subtle challenges can ignite curiosity, and why a touch of mystery keeps things exciting. Let's dive into these transformative ideas. 1. The power of non-physical attraction. Non-physical attraction transcends appearances and taps into the essence of human connection. It's rooted in qualities like confidence, emotional intelligence, mystery, and authenticity. A man who walks into a room with quiet composure naturally draws people in. This confidence signals emotional stability, which many women find appealing. Emotional intelligence enhances this attraction. A man who listens deeply and engages with empathy fosters meaningful connections. Maintaining an air of mystery by not revealing everything about oneself creates intrigue and invites exploration. Authenticity ties these elements together, allowing individuals to feel safe being themselves. 2. Making her feel truly seen. To make a woman feel truly seen, you must be fully present and engaged. This involves listening not just to her words, but also to her tone, emotions, and subtle expressions. Pay attention to the little details that reveal her essence, such as the way her eyes light up when she talks about something she loves. Creating a safe space for her to express herself without judgment is crucial. Validate her feelings and perspectives, showing respect for her uncertainties. Ask thoughtful, open-ended questions that invite her to share more about herself, fostering meaningful conversations that go beyond small talk. Eye contact is also vital. Holding her gaze with warmth reinforces that she matters to you. 3. Mastering the art of subtle challenge. The art of subtle challenge involves inspiring growth while maintaining intrigue. It's about gently encouraging self-awareness without exerting control. Instead of telling someone what to do, invite them to reflect on their own path with thoughtful questions. This approach fosters introspection and allows for organic growth. Patience is essential. True growth takes time. By providing space for reflection, you create an environment where change feels natural. The tone and delivery of your challenges matter. A gentle, empathetic approach fosters openness and trust. 4. Harnessing the power of tone and language. The way you communicate your tone and language plays a significant role in building connections. A calm, confident tone conveys assurance and emotional stability. Speaking deliberately and allowing pauses adds depth to your conversations, making your words resonate. Opt for language that sparks intrigue rather than being overly direct. Instead of saying someone is interesting, express that there's something about them you can't quite put your finger on. This invites reflection and encourages deeper conversations. 5. The power of eye contact. Eye contact is one of the simplest yet most powerful tools for building attraction. When used intentionally, it communicates confidence and attentiveness. Holding steady, relaxed eye contact shows that you are fully present and makes her feel valued. Balance is key. Maintain eye contact just a moment longer than usual to signal quiet confidence. This creates an air of intrigue and connection. During moments of vulnerability, holding eye contact while she shares something personal reinforces your investment in the conversation. 6. The art of building mystery. Creating mystery is a powerful tool in attraction. It's not about being distant, but about cultivating intrigue by revealing just enough to spark curiosity. Avoid oversharing instead. Pace your interactions to leave room for her imagination. Women are often attracted to men with their own passions and lives beyond the relationship. By maintaining a sense of independence and purpose, you create a compelling contrast. Gradually revealing yourself over time allows her to engage and invest in getting to know you.